Even a tiny error can mean big problems. A small slip-up can lead to major setbacks. Wasted materials, faulty products, you name it. These issues can cost a lot of time and money. AI is like a perfectionist best friend who never misses a beat. It's always on the lookout for errors. With AI-powered quality control, every single product can be inspected with incredible precision. No detail is too small. Think of it like having a microscopic robot inspector examining every nook and cranny. It's thorough and relentless. Say goodbye to those annoying product recalls. No more sleepless nights over defective products. And it's not just about catching mistakes after they happen. AI can foresee potential issues. AI can actually predict when a machine is about to go haywire and alert someone to fix it before it causes problems. It's like having a crystal ball that only shows factory mishaps. Way less dramatic than seeing the future, I know, but incredibly useful. Section 4. AI Factories of the Future. Like a sci-fi movie. Okay, get ready to have your mind blown. The future of manufacturing is straight out of a sci-fi film. Imagine fully automated factories where robots work tirelessly alongside humans, like a well-choreographed dance. These factories will be able to adapt to changing demands in real time, churning out customized products with lightning speed. Need 1,000 personalized phone cases with your cat's face on them? No problem, the AI factory can handle it. And get this, AI can even help us design completely new products we never even dreamed of before. It's like having a brainstorming partner who's also a genius inventor. The possibilities are endless. Section 5. Green Machines AI for a Healthier Planet. We all want to save the planet, right? Well, AI is about to become our new eco-warrior bestie. AI can make manufacturing way more sustainable by reducing waste, saving energy, and even shrinking those pesky carbon footprints. Remember those AI-powered eyes all over the factory? They can track energy consumption and optimize processes to use only what's needed. No more energy vampires sucking up power when no one's looking. Plus, AI can help us develop new eco-friendly materials and find innovative ways to recycle and reuse everything. It's like giving Mother Nature a much-needed high-tech makeover. Section 6. The future is now. Embrace the AI revolution. Okay, folks, the future is here and it's powered by AI. The manufacturing industry is changing faster than ever, and those who embrace these advancements will reap the rewards. We're talking more jobs, better products, and a healthier planet. So buckle up, Buttercup, because the AI revolution is just getting started. And trust me, you don't want to be the last one on the factory floor without a robot buddy. It's gonna be Legion. Wait for it. Dairy.